How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the Facebook profile lock option is not showing on your account. If you're trying to lock your profile for more privacy but can't find the option, don't worry, I'll walk you through some easy solutions to fix it. First, you need to know that Facebook profile lock is not available in all countries. It's mainly available in regions like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Egypt, and a few others. If you're in a country where this feature isn't supported, you won't see the option. To check it's available, simply tap on three dots and simply find an option that says lock profile, or you can see profile lock availability in Facebook Help Center as well. Now, if we cannot find it, what we can do is move on to the next step. Sometimes the profile lock option is available on Facebook Lite but not on the main app. Simply try installing Facebook Lite. Simply go to App Store and search for Facebook Lite and simply download the Facebook Lite app. And check if you can see the lock profile option in your settings. Now let's move on to the next step. A cool trick that works for many users is changing the Facebook language to Bengali, Hindi or Urdu. Open Facebook and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down until you find Language and Reason and simply tap on the first one, which is Language for Buttons, Titles and Other Titles. Here, what you need to do is simply tap on Preferred Language and choose the language that is Bengal, Hindi or Urdu. Once you've done that, just go back to your profile settings and check if the lock profile option appears. If your Facebook app is outdated, some features including profile lock may not appear. Just go to the Play Store or App Store and simply search for Facebook and update it to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can fix the missing profile lock option on Facebook.